Mascara ba is... Saan ang mascara? Dito? Dito?
NANI?!
Hi! Nandito kami ngayon sa store ng Lancome in Greenbelt and my brother is doing a challenge kasi siya yung totally walang alam sa makeup. And he will choose makeup for me. So, good luck kasi ang mahal ng Lancome, di ba guys? Pero, wala siyang magagawa. So, pipilian niya ako ng makeup based on his gut feel. And then, let's hope na bumagay sa akin yung mga mapipili niya. Let's do this. So, for the blush on, we have 4 shades. And this one is really good because this one has a skincare benefit na rin siya. It gives your skin more hydration and also mas glowing yung effect niya. But if you want something na medyo light lang, yung coverage and also visible coverage, we have a warm shade and then neutral shade for this one.
Hindi ako naiintindihan. Foundation to. Question. Feeling ko ito yung mas babagay sa'yo. So, okay. Ito na yung foundation.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Hindi mo na tinesting.
Mm.
Totoo ka ba?
Sige.
Pero I think, mas bagay sa kanya yung warm lang.
Parang good luck talaga
Okay,
sa akin.
sige.
Warm lang kasi, yung neutral is super white. Sa'yo, parang okay sa akin yung warm. Kasi kahit pagtatila si warm, is okay pa rin.
Yan po yung
Warm.
warm.
Oh.
Kapag ito yung pinaka-dark na.
Okay. So, very light pala yung mga foundations nila.
You need to leave the sikat.
Yes. Yes. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-oppose sa mga decisions mo eh.
Mascara tayo.
Here we have the mascara. We have the Idol Lash. If you want something more on lifting and volumizing, we also have other ones, the Grandiosa Smudge Group. If you want something more volume and also yung curve, yung left. And we also have the Deep Nose Dull Eyes if you want something more on like waterproof and then mas enhancing dyan talaga. And then maganda siya kapag medyo dull yung like, especially pag naka-smoky eye ka. Mas maganda to if you're going to use this one dahil po sa dull.
So, ang difference. Ang difference. So, ano ko ako na yung smudge proof eh.
Smudge Proof waterproof.
Hindi niya po
Waterproof.
na-absorb yung difference.
Yung kulay.
If you want something like more on natural.
Di ba?
If you have like medyo mahaba na yung lashes mo, if you want something natural lang yung look na, yun, pwede ka na. Idol Lash.
Yung idol.
Okay. Oh my God. Paano ko i-test to sa'yo? Like, ganyan ba yung pag-test sa'yo? Okay, itim siya.
Good luck talaga sa akin dito.
So it adds volume and curve. Kaya ganyan yung
Pakita mo yung brush. Pakita mo.
Ooh.
Wow. Very interesting po yung curve
Yeah.
ng brush niya.
Kaya yung parang pinaka-benefit is yung curve led because of yung effect niya with
Paano to ina-apply? Ano dapat naka-curve bang ganyan? Or like, mascara ba is... Saan ang mascara? Dito? Dito?
That's for the brow. We also
No. Pwede naman kung gusto mo sobrang dark nung brows.
Okay, so eyelashes. Okay.
Ano nakuha mo? Wait lang.
This one.
Grandio.
Dash, we also have like available na two, dalawa lang. We have the bulk type and we also have the cream type. But this one is the limited edition, but you can use it for like lip and cheek na rin.
Lip and cheek.
Lip and cheek. I don't think kailangan pang tanongin yan. Kasi 2-in-1 na yan.
Alin yung 2-in-1? Bakit mali yung tinutunan?
So this one is the 2-in-1 and then also this unlimited edition na blush. Okay. So bulk type siya, so mas madali siyang i-blend on the cheek.
Pero isang shade lang po
Yeah,
yun.
one shade.
Okay.
Blush to?
So it's like a universal shade.
Yes. Okay. We also have for the lip shade. If you want something more on balm type and then lighter lang na and I also have shade naman and it also gives you like a 24-hour hydration. So this one we have the Butter Glow. We have 4 different shades. We have number 10 if you want something more on like sheer lang. We also have something if you want something more on rosy, something more on like brown for the cheeks. And the other one, medyo pink. And then we also have the dip point if you wanted like more on hydration, and then dip treatment na rin kasi talaga siya.
Okay,
Diba,
color
you're
time.
learning, diba?
Walang epekto sa'yo.
Seryoso,
Wala.
swatch mo pa ba yan? Clear na.
Man.
Clear nga eh.
Oh! Yun pala yung tsara ng voice.
Mm.
Gusto ko to, yung kung ano man tawag dito. Statement piece. Okay.
Teka lang. No. Ang hirap nung no? Bibilan ka na ng makeup pero hindi mo choice yung shade eh.
You can try also our fragrance if you want.
Or fragrance.
Our fragrance.
You
Okay.
wanna try?
Yeah, nagka-fragrance naman ako. So, I think yun ang medyo redeeming factor ko.
Redeeming factor.
For our fragrance, we have all floral naman yung scents natin. It depends on your preference. If you want something for floral, spicy, sweet, here we have Idol Classic. This one is more of floral fresh scent. That's right. We also have the newest scent, which is the kitchen roses. So this one, if you put something more on like fruity floralness.
I like it. Parang wala ka pang ganitong perfume.
Mm-hmm.
I want to spray also our power if you want something more of fruity floral. This one is you can use it for like on a date night, mga special occasions.
Nahirapan ka.
Magkaiba kasi sila eh. Like, ito kasi is very playful.
Mhm.
And ito is on the intimate side.
Intimate.
Bold and
Oh,
black
really?
as I said.
Pero very different pa siya dun sa original na Idol.
Very different.
Very different.
Very different.
Oh, interesting.
And this one,
The power.
yung
Ano
power.
yan? Power.
Power.
Natalo si Peach.
Yeah.
Actually, maano talaga si power. Usually, kasi si Peach and Roses kasi, some of our clients kasi, they choose it for a summer scent. But if you want something talaga na parang vector talaga na malakas yung projection,
Oh.
power talaga.
Oh my
After
God.
Yeah.
The power.
I can give you naman ng free na full size naman siya. Para you can use it.
Oh my God, I love it. Thank you
Kasi we don't have like yung mga miniature, so since you're getting the make-ups and then the power.
Wow, thank you so much po. Pero before that, burahin mo muna yung swatches mo. Ito talaga yung perfect example ng walang alam sa makeup. Kasi hindi niya binura yung swatches.
So ba yung mismatch? Yung mascara nga pa yung mismatch.
Hindi smudge-proof yung lip oil.
Ito yung pag-reading natin for the beauty treats, for the lips, and then we have for the blush, and then for the cushion, then mascara, and for the fragrance po.
Ooh.
Nare-retain pa ba yan?
Hindi na nare-retain.
Okay. Di ko alam kung magkano yung lahat ng to.
So, kamusta ka naman? Madami ka bang natutunan? Kasi ang daling mag-explain ni Mac. Na-absorb mo ba?
Smudge proof.
And your total pay is 19,030.
$19 yun.
Lugi ka. Mas lugi ka.
Sige.
Okay, so I just wanna express my utmost gratitude to my brother for spoiling me so much today. Bale na kung hindi tama yung shade, basta nakuha ko lahat yun ng libre. Ang ganda.
The power po, and you can stay on
Thank you po. Oh my God, look guys. So, it's a full-size moisturizer.
How do you feel?
Siyempre, sobrang happy ko, di ba? Ako talaga yung waging-wagi dito. Di ba, Lin, ako hindi tama yung shade. Gagawa natin ang paraan yan pag mali. here it is. I'm so excited to try. And we would like to thank Miss Gina for helping us today. Sobrang helpful ng mga advice ni ma'am. And I definitely learned a lot. Hindi ko lang alam kung kamusta siya.
Much proof.
Much proof lang yung natutunan niya today. But that's a great start. Ayan. And thank you so much to Lancome for accommodating us. Just look, it's so beautiful.
Thank you.